Great day, my booskies. I hope you are all doing well. So I need your help and I have some information for you. So first, I need you to go and sign up for the financial literacy class that we are having on this Saturday, which is April 4th at 2 p.m. Eastern. All the information will be in the description of this live. Next, we are going to be having some freebies. Woo! Can't wait for that. And we're also going to have a lot of fun. So if you are or have been in a financial crisis, this class will help you because we're going to be giving you so much valuable information that you can use literally right after the class. Also, if you would like to book a consultation with me, you can do that right on my Pensight website. The calendar is open. Listen, let's get our finances in order, and I have some great information. I can't tell you now. You have to come to the class to get it. And come on there, and we're going to have some great fun. So if you have ever been in a financial crisis and you want to know more information, this is the place to be. I love y'all. I will see you on Saturday, April 4th at 2 p.m. Eastern. Go register today and share this live out. I love you. Have an amazing day.